Facilities teams are the crux of business continuity, but managing hybrid workspaces and compliance can be an intense balancing act. Welcome to Ivanti Facilities Management. Instantly see work orders by status and location, giving you a clear, unified view of operations. Prioritize tasks efficiently and gain crucial insights fast. Effortlessly track all facility requests and room reservations. From transport needs to booking a meeting space, you maintain continuous visibility for connected, secure digital experiences. Monitor scheduled maintenance and identify assets nearing end of life. Optimize resource allocation, strengthening business continuity, and driving sustained resilience. The Ivanti self-service portal is where every service you need is instantly accessible in one central hub. Easily explore announcements, knowledge articles, or use our intelligent search for precise information. This empowers your workforce, accelerating productivity and streamlining daily operations. Dive into our comprehensive service catalog, making facility reservations a breeze. Effortlessly book conference rooms, select catering, and arrange necessary equipment through a single intuitive form. This frictionless process maximizes efficiency and optimizes resource allocation across your organization. Dive into detailed work orders, empowering you to quickly access all critical information. This streamlines resolution and reduces manual errors. Efficiently manage all associated tasks and facility assets directly within each work order. You gain complete visibility and accountability for every component, ensuring thorough maintenance. Manage facility requests for services like room reservations and catering. This delivers exceptional value and seamless service experiences. Automated approval workflows and clear task assignments ensure your requests are fulfilled promptly, enhancing accountability. This boosts productivity and accelerates results across your organization.